Hello viewers, I'm Zahur Islam. You are watching me on my YouTube channel. Today we will just talk about the distribution of the resins. So resins, they are generally distributed in the plants and rarely in the insects, which are shell-like. They are present in the ducts or cavities, which are known as schizogenous ducts. So there are two types of resins. One is normal or physiological resins, and the second one is abnormal or pathological resins. So normal or physiological resins that are free formed in the plants and making injury to the plants can increase their yield, their production. For example, resins of the finest. In abnormal or pathological resins that are found in the plants only when injury or incision is made in like benzoin and tolobalsams. Now the occurrences of resins usually they occur in different secretory zones or structure. For example, resin cells which are found in the gingers and schizogenous ducts or the cavities that is found in the fine and the glandular hairs and the cannabis sativums. According to the classification of the resins on the basis of their formation, it can be classified into two categories. The first one is physiological resins, and the second one is pathological resins. Physiological resins are those resins which are formed as the normal product of the metabolism without making injury to the plants. So I mean how these products, the metabolites, so these are formed without making injury to the plants. And pathological resins are those which are formed as a result of wound injury or abnormal circumstances like benzoins, coliphony, balsams, and aloe resins, etc. So these are the different, you can say, plants, and with these constituents they are formed there. On the basis of chemical nature, so resins can be classified into different categories. That is, for example, resin acid or resinolic acids. The second one is resin alcohol, that is resinols. And the third one is resin phenols, which is called resinotenols. And the fourth one is ester resins. And the fifth one is resins. This is classification on the basis of their chemical constituents which are present in the resins. Now on the basis of occurrences with other secondary metabolites, so the first one is oleoresins. So oleoresins, they are naturally occurring mixture of volatile oil and resins. Gum resins, the second one is gum resins. So gum resins are those resins which are associated with the gums. Another one is oleogum resins, which are naturally occurring mixing a mix of volatile oil, gums, mucilaginous compound with the resins. Another one is glyco resins. So glyco resins are those resins which are in a combination with the sugar compounds via glycosidals linkages. And the last one is balsam. So balsam is the resins in a combination with benzoic, or you can say cinnamic acid, either free or they are combined. Now question is that how the resins it can be isolated. So this is very simple technique. So by extracting the drug with alcohol and precipitating the resins present in the concentrated extract by the addition of the large proportion of water. So for example, jalap and epomia and podophyllums. By distributions or by distillation for separation of oils, for example, copaiba and colopony. So by heating the plant's parts like gokums, as the plant exudate may making incisions, for example, mites, asafoetida, and balsams. By collecting the fossils resins, for example, coffal, okay, and by processing the encrustations, for example, shellac, and some exceptionally rare instances, the resins occur as a result of sucking the juices of the plant by scale insects and converting the sucked juice into the resinous substances that ultimately cover the insects itself and twigs of the plant like uh, Lacifer laca. So, inshallah, in my next lecture, I will, inshallah, discuss about the extraction and isolation methods. That what are the different isolation and extraction method which are used for the resins. Thank you so much for watching my lecture.